Here I have ACER Liquid Z6E, and let me show you how to set up the screen lock protection on the following device. So basically, let me show you how to protect your phone by using the pattern. Let's tap apps icon right here. Find and select the settings. So here I have the settings icon. Scroll down and under personal tab, just choose security. Choose screen lock. And now you have to decide either you would like to use pattern, pin or password. In my case, let me choose pattern. Let's draw your unlock pattern. Tap continue. Let's do it again just for confirmation. And now you have to decide either you would like to show all notification content, hide sensitive notification content, or maybe don't show notifications at all. In my case, let me show all content. Tap done. And that's it. Here you can change some settings connected to your security, or you may simply press power key to lock your device. And now if you would like to unlock it, of course you have to enter your pattern. That's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.